If you ride a motorcycle, you already know a helmet isn't optional, it's essential. But what if your helmet could do a lot more than just protect you? Today's helmets aren't just safety gear, they're packed with smart technology that completely changes the way you ride. Imagine taking calls, listening to music, getting GPS directions, and even talking to other riders, all without ever taking your hands off the handlebars. And honestly, once you experience a smart helmet, going back to a regular one feels like riding in the dark. That's exactly why we created this video, to show you the best smart motorcycle helmets you can buy this year. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out and upgrade your ride today. Number 10. ILM Bluetooth Integrated Modular Flip-Up Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet 953 Pro. This is the ILM Bluetooth Integrated Modular Flip-Up Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet 953 Pro, built for riders who want more than just protection. First, the design. It's a modular flip-up helmet, so you can lift the front whenever you stop. No need to remove it completely. Quick, easy, and super convenient. Now the best part. This helmet has built-in Bluetooth, which means you can answer calls hands-free, listen to music, follow GPS directions, all while staying focused on the road. Riding with friends? Even better. It includes an intercom system, so you can talk with your group in real time while riding. No shouting, no stopping, just smooth communication. The built-in speakers deliver clear sound, and the noise control helps reduce wind interference, so everything sounds crisp, even at higher speeds. Of course, safety comes first. This helmet is DOT certified, with a strong outer shell and impact-absorbing interior designed to protect you when it matters most. You also get a built-in sun visor, adjustable airflow vents, soft, removable inner padding, so you stay cool, comfortable, and ready for long rides. This isn't just a helmet, it's a complete riding upgrade. You get safety, technology, and convenience all in one. Ride smarter, ride safer, and enjoy every moment on the road. Number 9. Triangle Modular Motorcycle Helmet. This is the Triangle Modular Motorcycle Helmet, a full-face flip-up helmet designed for riders who want both protection and flexibility. Let's start with the flip-up design. With one quick motion, you can lift the front of the helmet without taking it off. Perfect for quick stops, talking, or catching your breath during long rides. Now check this out. It comes with a dual visor system, a clear outer visor for full visibility, and an internal sun shield that you can slide down instantly when the sun gets too bright. No sunglasses needed. When it comes to protection, this helmet is DOT approved, meaning it meets important safety standards. It features a strong outer shell and an impact-absorbing interior to help keep you protected on the road. Comfort matters, especially on longer rides. This helmet includes soft, breathable padding and a ventilation system that keeps air flowing, helping you stay cool and focused. Whether you're commuting, touring, or just riding for fun, this helmet is built to handle it all while keeping you comfortable and protected. Because a better helmet means a better ride. Every single time. Number 8. Favoto Fullface Motorcycle Helmet. This is the Favoto Fullface Motorcycle Helmet, built for riders who want safety without overpaying. Let's start with what matters most: protection. This helmet is DOT approved, meaning it meets essential safety standards for motorcycle riding. It features a strong ABS outer shell and impact-absorbing foam inside, designed to protect your head when it matters most. One of the best features? It includes an anti-fog film visor, so you always get clear vision even in rain, cold, or humid conditions. No more fogged-up glass while riding. Comfort is just as important. This helmet is lightweight, so it doesn't feel heavy on long rides. Inside, you get soft, removable padding that fits your face and can be washed anytime. It also comes with a smart ventilation system, with front, top, and rear vents that keep air flowing and prevent overheating. Perfect for long rides or hot weather. Whether you're riding a motorcycle, dirt bike, or even a snowmobile, this helmet is designed to handle it all. And the best part? You're getting all these features at a budget-friendly price, making it perfect for beginners and everyday riders. Because when it comes to riding, safety should never be optional. Number 7. Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet Model MD 813. This is the Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet Model MD 813, built for riders who want reliable safety without sacrificing looks. Let's start with the most important thing, protection. This helmet is DOT approved, meaning it meets official safety standards for road use. It's built with a durable ABS shell and impact-absorbing EPS liner to help protect your head in case of an accident. Not only does it look aggressive and stylish, it also helps block sunlight, reduce glare, and protect your eyes from wind and debris while riding. This helmet is lightweight, with soft, removable inner padding that's breathable and easy to clean, so you stay comfortable no matter how long you're on the road. It also features a smart ventilation system with multiple air vents to keep airflow moving and prevent overheating. Perfect for hot days or extended rides. You even get a detachable nose guard, giving you extra flexibility depending on your riding style. Whether you're commuting, racing, or just cruising, this helmet delivers the balance of safety, comfort, and clean design. Because when you ride, looking good is great, but staying protected is everything. Number 6. ILM MF567 Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet. This is the ILM MF567 Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet, designed for riders who want premium protection with a bold look. This helmet is DOT and ECE certified, meaning it meets high-level safety standards for impact protection. It's built with a strong ABS shell and EPS foam interior for better shock absorption. One of the standout features is the dual visor system. You get a clear outer visor for normal riding and a built-in tinted sun visor for bright conditions. Perfect for switching between day and night rides instantly. Comfort is where this helmet really shines. It features a smart ventilation system with multiple air vents to keep airflow moving, so you stay cool even on long rides. Inside, the soft, removable padding gives you a snug and comfortable fit. It's also designed to reduce wind noise, thanks to its aerodynamic shape and padded interior, giving you a smoother, quieter ride. And let's be honest, the design looks amazing. Whether you're riding a street bike, cruiser, or sport bike, this helmet gives you that premium racing look. So you're getting safety, comfort, airflow, and style, all in one helmet. Because when you ride, you deserve protection that looks as good as it performs. Number 5. HAX Ammitista Modular Flip-Up Motorcycle Helmet. This is the HAX Ammitista Modular Flip-Up Motorcycle Helmet, designed for riders who want flexibility, protection, and style in one. You can easily lift the front of the helmet without taking it off. Perfect for quick stops, conversations, or just getting some fresh air during long rides. When it comes to protection, this helmet is DOT and ECE approved, meaning it meets strong international safety standards. It's built with a durable outer shell and shock-absorbing interior to keep you protected on the road. It also features a dual visor system, a clear outer visor for normal riding, and a built-in sun visor you can slide down instantly when the sunlight gets too bright. Comfort is where this helmet stands out. It's lightweight, with soft, breathable inner padding that gives you a snug fit without feeling heavy, even on longer rides. The ventilation system keeps air flowing, helping you stay cool and focused. Whether you're commuting or touring, it's designed for everyday use. And let's not forget the clean matte black design, simple, modern, and stylish for any rider. Because the right helmet doesn't just protect you, it makes every ride better. Number 4. Martian Modular Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet HG 362. This is the Martian Modular Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet HG 362, a flip-up helmet designed for riders who want both comfort and functionality. You can easily lift the front of the helmet whenever you stop. No need to take it off. Perfect for quick breaks, talking, or getting some fresh air. It also comes with a dual visor design. You get a clear outer visor for normal riding and an inner smoked sun visor that protects your eyes from bright sunlight. Switch instantly, depending on the lighting conditions. When it comes to protection, this helmet is DOT approved, built with a durable thermoplastic alloy shell and impact-absorbing interior. So you can ride with confidence knowing you're protected. It's lightweight, aerodynamic, and comes with soft, removable padding that you can wash anytime. That means a snug fit without feeling heavy, even on long rides. And let's not forget the clean matte black finish. Simple, stylish, and perfect for any type of rider. Whether you're commuting, touring, or riding for fun, this helmet is built for daily use with the flexibility you need. Because the right helmet doesn't just protect you, it makes every ride better. Number 3. ILM Vintage Modular Full-Face Helmet B707. This is the ILM Vintage Modular Full-Face Helmet B707, a unique helmet designed for versatility, comfort, and protection. It features a 180-degree reversible chin guard. That means you can use it as a full-face helmet, a modular flip-up helmet, or even a 3/4 open-face style, all in one design. Of course, safety comes first. This helmet is DOT certified, built with a strong ABS shell and impact-absorbing EPS liner to protect you on the road. It also comes with a dual visor setup. You get a clear outer visor for visibility and a tinted inner visor for sun protection, perfect for switching between day and night rides instantly. Comfort is a big win here. It includes soft, removable padding, ventilation vents for airflow, and even speaker pockets if you want to add a Bluetooth system later. Plus, it's eyewear-friendly, so glasses fit easily. And let's not ignore the look. That vintage retro design gives it a unique style that stands out from regular helmets. Perfect for motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, or even snowmobile riding. So instead of buying multiple helmets, you get one that does it all. Because the best helmet isn't just safe, it adapts to every ride you take. Number 2. Sena Outrush, our Bluetooth modular motorcycle helmet. This is the Sena Outrush, our Bluetooth modular motorcycle helmet, a smart helmet designed to upgrade your entire riding experience. Here's what makes it different. This helmet comes with built-in Bluetooth 5.1, so you can take calls hands-free, listen to music, follow GPS directions, all directly inside your helmet, no extra setup needed. Riding with friends? Even better. It features a 4-way intercom system with a range of up to 900 meters, so you can talk clearly while riding together. The helmet includes built-in speakers, a microphone, and easy-to-use side controls, so you can manage everything without taking your hands off the handlebars. It's also a flip-up modular helmet, giving you flexibility when you stop or need fresh air, perfect for everyday riding. When it comes to protection, it's DOT rated with a strong ABS shell and multi-density EPS liner for impact absorption. You also get a built-in sun visor, advanced ventilation system, removable, washable interior padding, so you stay comfortable on both short rides and long journeys. This isn't just a helmet, it's a smarter way to ride. Communication, entertainment, and protection, all in one. Because the future of riding is staying connected while staying safe. Number 1. Adult Modular Motorcycle Helmet. This is the Adult Modular Motorcycle Helmet, a full-face flip-up helmet designed for riders who want safety, comfort, and extra value. You can easily lift the front of the helmet when you stop, perfect for quick conversations, breaks, or getting some fresh air without removing the whole helmet. It also features a dual visor setup, a clear outer visor for everyday riding, and a built-in sun visor that protects your eyes from bright sunlight. Switch instantly depending on conditions. When it comes to protection, this helmet is DOT approved, built with a durable outer shell and impact-absorbing interior to keep you safe on the road. Comfort is key, especially for longer rides. This helmet includes soft, breathable inner padding and a ventilation system that keeps air flowing, helping you stay cool and focused. And here's what makes it stand out. You also get protective riding gloves, a face mask, so you're not just buying a helmet, you're getting a full riding kit in one package. Whether you're riding a motorcycle, ATV, UTV, or even a snowmobile, this helmet is built for all kinds of adventures. Because the right gear doesn't just protect you, it makes every ride better and smarter.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.